If you've worked your diesel long enough, you know that heat can become an issue. Whether you're towing in the summer, hauling job site loads, or pushing the truck harder than the factory cooling system was intended for. When temps start to climb, it's time for a real cooling solution. This is the Mishimoto aluminum radiator, built to help diesel trucks manage heat under demanding conditions with a performance-focused all-aluminum design. Right out of the box, you could see the difference. You're getting a fully aluminum radiator with a brazed aluminum core and TIG welded aluminum end tanks on many applications. No crimped plastic tanks here. The core layout, weld quality, and overall construction are designed for durability and efficient heat transfer. Mishimoto engineers these radiators for hard-working and performance-built diesel use, offering high-efficiency designs and maximizing heat transfer. Mishimoto also backs this with real-world testing, offering potential gains in core thickness, core volume, and core fluid capacity across many popular diesel platforms. If your truck's working harder and heat's starting to become part of the issue, a Mishimoto aluminum radiator from XDP is a solid way to support proper cooling when it's needed most. These are available for many popular diesel applications, so make sure to check us out at XDP and get one for your truck.